I wanted to share with you a quick recipe for your own natural cough syrup, and that's, onion syrup. It works wonders, trust me. What you do is you chop the onion and then cover it with 2 tablespoons of honey, put it in a jar, and let it sit overnight, but at least 4 hours. And what it does is it releases a syrup, and that's your medicine. So take 1 teaspoon several times a day, and you will see it is really powerful, and you will feel the difference. See you in the next video. Hi, I'm Frida, and I share science-based health insights explained in a grounded way. Follow for more.